Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create video ads with TikTok, beginner guide step by step clearly. To create video ads with TikTok, start by downloading the TikTok app from your device's app store. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, navigate to the TikTok Ads Manager. Click on the Create an Ad button to initiate the ad creation process. Select the appropriate campaign objective for your ad, such as traffic, conversions, or brand awareness. Set your campaign budget according to your advertising goals. Define your target audience by choosing demographics such as age, gender, and location. Select your ad placement preferences, including TikTok and other partner networks. Now, move on to the ad group setup where you can choose your ad format. For video ads, select options like in-feed ads or top-view ads. Next, prepare your video content by ensuring it aligns with TikTok's creative guidelines. Aim for attention-grabbing visuals in the first few seconds of your video. Keep your video length between 9 to 15 seconds for maximum engagement. Incorporate trending music or sounds to enhance your video's appeal. Add text overlays and call-to-action buttons to guide viewers. After finalizing your video, review it for quality and compliance with TikTok's advertising policies. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to send your ad for review. Wait for TikTok to approve your ad, which usually takes a few hours. Once approved, monitor your ad performance through the Ads Manager dashboard. Analyze metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions to gauge effectiveness. Optimize your ads based on performance data to improve results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.